crackdown on militias, recovery of arms, removal of illegal checkposts and more. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. With President's rule in place, Manipur is poised for a significant shift in its security strategy. The state, which has been grappling with ethnic violence since May 2023, is witnessing a series of measures aimed at restoring law and order. Just be with me till the end to know everything. Security forces have begun taking decisive action against armed groups. Recently, 26 members of the Meitei militia Arambai Tangol were detained along with village volunteers, sparking protests in the valley. While they were released later, officials have confirmed that similar actions will continue against militants on both sides of the ethnic divide. In a bid to recover stolen arms, an amnesty scheme has been rolled out. Those who return looted weapons from police armories within 7 days will not face prosecution. However, after this deadline, strict legal action will be enforced. More than 6,000 weapons are believed to have been stolen since the violence erupted. The administration is actively removing illegal checkposts, particularly those set up by Kuki groups in the hills. This move is expected to facilitate safer movement along key routes and reduce instances of extortion and violence. Regulating movement and strengthening the border, several security measures are being implemented in the hills, including enhanced monitoring of the movement of goods and people in Moreh, accelerated construction of the India-Myanmar border fence in Manipur, increased deployment of central armed police forces beyond the existing Assam Rifles presence. One of the most significant steps under the new security plan is ensuring the transportation of goods and people between the valley and the hills. Currently, supplies reach hill areas via Mizoram, as Meitei groups block trucks headed for the hills. Likewise, people from the hills, particularly Kukis, struggle to travel to the valley, while Meiteis face difficulties leaving Imphal via road due to Kuki-controlled regions. To address this, the administration has proposed a phased approach. Number 1, ensuring that goods flow freely between the valley and the hills through Imphal. Number 2, introducing helicopter services to ferry people between the two regions. Number 3, gradually restoring road travel with convoy protection, similar to the strategy used in Kashmir. The coming weeks will be crucial for Manipur as these security measures take effect. The success of these initiatives depends on the cooperation of local communities and willingness of armed groups to de-escalate tensions. Additionally, security forces now have greater operational freedom under President's rule. Do you think these measures would somewhere ease out tensions and restore peace in Manipur? What are your thoughts? Drop your views in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such stories.